Use a variety of pasta shapes to create visual interest. Pasta is a great dish to cook for a large group of people because it is easy to make and can be tailored to fit many different dietary restrictions. Additionally, using different shapes of pasta can add visual interest and make the dish more appealing to eat. Some of my favorite shapes include farfalle, daunting, and gemelli. They are all easy to cook and provide a nice contrast in texture and flavor when eaten together. Cook pasta al dente for the perfect texture. Cooking pasta al dente is important because it results in the perfect texture. Al dente pasta is firm yet still has a bit of a bite to it, whereas overcooked pasta is soft and mushy. Cooking pasta al dente also results in better flavor, since the pasta will be less starchy. Add fresh herbs and spices for flavor. Adding fresh herbs and spices is important for two reasons. First, it enhances the flavor of the pasta. Second, it adds important nutrients to your meal. Herbs and spices are loaded with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can improve your health. Adding them to your pasta is an easy way to get these nutrients into your diet. Top with a simple sauce or olive oil and Parmesan cheese. It's important to top your pasta with a simple sauce or olive oil and Parmesan cheese because it adds flavor and makes the dish more enjoyable to eat. The sauce or oil helps to coat the pasta, and the Parmesan cheese provides a salty, savory flavor that takes the dish to the next level. Serve with a side salad or roasted vegetables. One reason why it is important to serve your pasta with a side salad or roasted vegetables is that it provides you with essential nutrients that are necessary for good health. Salads and roasted vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect your body against disease. Additionally, they are low in calories and fat, making them a healthy option for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. By including a side salad or roasted vegetables with your pasta dish, you can ensure that you are getting the nutrients your body needs while also enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal. Experiment with different cooking methods, including boiling, baking, and frying. Cooking methods are important to experiment with because each one produces a different outcome. Boiling can soften food, baking can create a crispy crust, and frying can add a layer of flavor. By trying out different cooking methods, you'll be able to find the ones that work best for your recipes. You may also discover new dishes that you wouldn't have thought to try before. So don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. You may be surprised by what you can create.